When did his wife die? I don't know.
About 6 months ago, maybe a year ago. There was a time we couldn't come here because they were going through the whole process of her passing away. No, very nice lady.
They were a great couple.
Yeah.
What we saw.
Yeah, they're very good musicians.
Yeah.
He's got a fortune of guitars in there, literally. What do you see?
I've seen the video. You see, Billy Connolly filmed it here.
Yeah.
There's like walls of them in it.
Yeah, I told him if he ever decides to sell him, he had better call me. Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
What are you doing with my camera, Jack?
Just won't thank you. Oh, you got it on panoramic.
Oh. Try again in a minute. We'll come out. Oh, lost it. What? Tell me I took a picture of myself.
Nice pears.
I couldn't see. Some of these signs in England are like fortunes.
Mm.
Yeah.
What's that program you like in television? Those guys who are looking for.
Pickers, American Pickers.
Yeah. And there's some guys here, and I'm not saying that to mention $500. There's a little rubbish.
I know. Another say, well, you can go there, so I'll give you £10. That must be on the moon.
He's go, I don't know. Look at them all.
British native was lovely. Yeah.
Has he got a certain English twang to his voice? This nice guy? Definitely, because if you're wearing chapstick.
Hitchhikers maybe escape.
I saw that on that road we were passing the prison. He's doing up picking up hitchhikers.
Who's that?
Yeah. I think that is. We went to Spain. We went to Salvador Dali's exhibition down in North Spain, and on one of the windowsills there was a drill, half a sandwich, and an empty can of Coke. And we weren't sure whether that was a workman's lunch or it actually was part of the exhibit. You might find some green glass here.
Keep on moving, through that way. Take all the photos you want. Yes, there's me and Annabelle. The last photo of us that was taken before she got sick. Those are two of her guitars there. Well, thank you.
Very pretty.
But I didn't rely on her looks. I relied on her talent.
Is this your mom and dad up here?
That's my mom and dad up there, yeah.
There's a likeness.
90 and 94.
Still with you?
Yeah. Keep on going on around take all the photos you want. We're gonna meet outside for a group photo in front of the Redneck Castle. Then we're gonna go get our bumps, kicks, drives, tricks, sticks, and big bricks on 66 at the Sand Hills Curiosity Shop. You good-looking dude. I know it. What's your name, baby?
My name is Charlene. What's yours?
Charlene. I'm Harley, honey.
Hello, Harry.
Yeah.
Keep your distance.
Take all the photos. I know she says keep his distance. I know. Take all the photos you want, guys.
Gibson.
Don't forget, folks, take all the photos you want.
Thank you, Clive.
Take all
Very good of you.
That Dusty Gibson,
Okay, sorry.
that old Dusty Gibson is worth a fortune.
Is it?
He's got a whole house full of guitars. That is probably worth $20,000 sitting on that couch.
Here,
Oh my god, yeah, it's me that.
There you go.
She died?
Oh yeah, Jack Daniels.
Annabelle Russell.
Take all the photos you want. We're gonna take a group photo out here. When you guys get through, go on through. There's signs all through the house.
Redneck super crack.
Right there, you're welcome to shoot anything in here you
This
want.
is, that looks like.
Enjoy
What's that artist who
all
won
of
the?
it. You're welcome to smoke any place in my building. Well, I don't have a government rule here. Nothing's illegal. I don't
They were
like
going to be
anything
scattered
government.
in a like, place on the
Yeah, he does.
But he's now decided not to grab it because I'm quite glad.
Yes.
I'm now friends and you know, having mum and dad up there, that's fun.
But you get proper like whackers.
Yeah, you can nice
Sumo out. Out.
I found sumo.
Yeah. Sumo. Herman Munster.
Sumo was the enemy name.
Sumo. We found sumo.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, there's blue images of Buddha around it. Yeah, that's sumo. Lost a lot of weight when they get this size.
Take all the photos you want, guys. I'm gonna head over to the sand hills. Okay, yeah.
I love that.
I know it. Here.
Yes, you said it.
I saw
Yeah,
that.
exactly. Pocket
Yeah,
knife.
it's a nice little
Pocket
pocket
knife,
knife.
you're
Yeah,
telling me, yeah.
yeah. I do a little whittling on it every once in a while.
But you do.
Hey, I'll meet you at the Sand Hills Curiosity Shop. I've got to shut things down.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay.